Hi everyone, I'm Grant here to introduce a guide on our two model for multifunctional building equipment. It comes with OPT, IPL, RF, and laser functions. So that means they have three handpieces. After you get the machine, you have to make sure every accessory is in good condition and make sure every handpiece is no loss. So first of all, machine get three handpieces. This is for the OPT and the RF, and of course this is the laser handpieces. And before we turn on the machine, you have to connect it every handpieces. So we turn the next one for you. Right here, you have to hear the sound out, so that we already connected. And secondly, after you install all the handpieces, you have to fulfill the water into the machine for the water tank. That is for cooling gears. Because if you don't put the water into the machine and then you turn it on, it is easy for burning machine. So we put the water, it's on the back of the machine. Here we have the water infusion, an overflow, and the drain water. You have to take off the cover of the water injection, and then take off the cover of the overflow, and so you just fulfill the water from here, from the water injection, and after the water was full into the tank, and here with the water overflow, you have the water come out, and after you see the water overflow, have the water come out, so that means ready full the water into the water tank. After that, just cover it back. And here is the sweet bottom here. This is for the wing coating, for wing coating. And another model is the same. Another model is the same type. Fulfill the water and convert every handpiece is totally completely. So now I'm trying to introduce you every accessories for the machine come with together. First of all, this machine has two screens, and this screen is for the laser, and this is for the OPT, IPL, and RF screen control. And for the first handpiece we want to get is this is OPT handpieces. Machine they come with three pieces of filter, 530, 640, and 480. Three filters for different treatment. And the RF handpieces they come with three pieces of tips. One is for the eyebrow, and one is for the face lifting, and one is for the body. And the laser handpieces. The laser, of course, it comes in three tips of laser heads. It's 1,640 nanometer, 532, and 1,320 nanometer for the laser tip for different treatment. And so now we go to the system to take a look. So we come to the system to take a look. So first of all, after the machine was on, is this screen? We enter and we select the OPT. Every machine after we finish production, machine will have the setup for the original data set up on the machine. So now I tell you what data for what and how to set up it. Here is a 640 nanometer. It will come here recommend filter 640 is for the hair removal. For hair removal, first of all, the data normally we set up it's for this one. The last set data is maximum is the 5 ms. is a maximum, cannot change more or higher. 5 is the maximum, and 5. And the second one, you can set up 5 or 4. It depends on the customer's feeling to set up it. Therefore, and the first one you also can set up for 5. So that means the data can set up 545 or 555 like this. They set up. So the last one maximum is have to be 5 ms. And here it's a 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So is instead it's for different kinds of hair treatment, hair removal. 1 it's for something like white hair, and 2 is maybe more the color of the hair. It's like something like brown, gray, and the 3 of course 3 the setup for the data for the black color hair skin. You have to keep more and a lower energy and frequency. So it's for black skin you can use 3, treatment 3. For something normal skin you can limit for treatment 2. For something like white hair you can use the treatment 1. And here is the IPL, is the heat energy for the energy setup. The energy setup, of course, we will depend on the customer feeling. From something like 8 or 9 begin to do the treatment. And this is RF. RF is the warm, how warm the customer feeling. This is the heat, this is the warm. So during the treatment, you have to ask the customer the feeling. When they feel warm and a little bit heat, that is the good, is the data you can keep going to do the treatment. And here is for cooling system. We set up to 5. And here is the temperature for the machine. Here we can see temperature. And here is the hand pieces for hair removal. We take the filter for hair removal. Just come here. You have to come here. You can see. Here, just come. When you install the filter to the OBD handle, you just now is doing for cooling. When you do the standby, that means now it's not under working status. You press ready. Press ready, that means there is now the handpiece is under working status. But you have to wait. You have to wait. The hand pieces, the handle, have to be cold, and then after you feel cold inside you, and then you can continue you can start the operation. So we press standby is for start. So there are 3 for hair removal, OBC, this handpiece for hair removal, skin rejuvenation, and for the pigmentation, for the washes, acne treatment. So it different. You use different filters for different treatment. For example, hair removal, we use the 640 nanometer for the treatment. And if you want to do the skin rejuvenation, you need to use the 530 nanometer to do the treatment. And also 400, and we also have the 480 filter that is for the pigmentation acne treatment. So we come to the RF. In RF, this is RF handpieces. Of course, they have 3 kits for RF, for the face, and for the face, for the body, for the face, and for the body. And also have for the eyebrow, and we have 3 tips. Here is the numbers for the counting, the shoot for the treatment, and here's the frequency. We adjust the frequency. Of course, you need to during the treatment or before treatment, I have to ask the customer how is the feeling. The frequency, we of course we from the lowest one to adjust it. Maybe from is one, being from 1 to set up the energy. And here is the energy. Energy should then mean the customer to feel the warm, how heat warm. The maximum is for 20. We normally begin from night or 8 to start treatment. The same like the OPT screen. And remember, you have to put here. This is the button. When you press the machine for ready, here the machine is this RF handpieces is under working state. You need to press this button to start the treatment, to start the operation. But please remember, and you do the treatment no matter for the OPT or this RF handle. During treatment, you have to put the gel on the treatment area to do the treatment, or it will burn the skin of the customer. So RF is, of course, is a radio frequency system. It's for facelifting, for body, for the skin tightening, and for eyebrow tightening or lifting. And now we come to the laser. The laser system, this is the handpiece for the laser. They cover 3 tips for laser. It can for the skin whitening, for the pigmentation, and for the eyebrow tattoo removal, highlights removal, and also can remove the scar. So now they have the system we show out here. It's 164. 164 tattoo remove is some for the black color tattoo is very easily to use the 1064 tips. If you want to do the treatment, do the tattoo removal for the something like colorful, you can use the 300. You can use the 300. Sorry, you can have to use the 532 nanometer to do the colorful tattoo removal. And of course, you want to do the skin whitening for the black dot treatment. This is 1330 for the skin whitening treatment. And of course, this data setup here is the energy. The maximum for energy should be 1000 is the maximum. In the frequency, it's for 10. So 1 to 10 energy, and it's a 1. It's maximum to 1000. At the beginning, we do the tattoo removal. Of course, we from the lower, from lower for some around 300, around 400, start 400. And for the newcomer, for the new user of the machine, we should suggest from 2 or 3 to start to make the treatment. Of course we need to consider the feeling of the customer. Here is the ready. Now, and for the laser machine, you have to use the panel for the full switch to do the treatment. That is for the full switch to do the laser for the laser treatment. So they come with 3 tips for the laser machine for tattoo removal, highlights, eyelids, pigmentation, for the black dot for skin whitening, and also for the scalp removal. And this machine the same function, just with this front, the cases just come with one skin, come together. So we can take a look. This is for their OPT function, RF and laser. It's coming the same function. Here we go. Laser. for freckle removal. Of course, for the black mark removal too. At the same time, we come with machine. We also will provide the cargo. This cargo is for the customer. During the treatment, for the laser treatment, we need to use the cargo for the customer. And also we come with the glasses. The glasses is for the operator, for the user. And also we come with one cover gel. Cover gel, it's for the skin whitening use. Here is the filters for the OPT, and tips is for the RF. So now we try to text. So we try to text it the machine. Normally every treatment for laser we set up to 3 or 4. And the good effects, maybe you can see the white or some little bit blood out. That is a good effect during the treatment for the tattoo removal. So here is the full switch. Okay, so we try to adjust more to text again. So this is for the laser handpieces. So that's all I want to say today. Our 2 excellent multifunctional beauty equipment, OPT IPL, RF, and laser, 3 handpieces. Thank you.